Hey guys, welcome to the Wingman design. So this is a 4-car garage option, so come through, we'll do a quick walkthrough. So straight up, we've done a bigger, wide, 1 meter wide door, and then the first room is your theatre. So we pull the door in, nice, slightly off square design, so you don't want it perfectly square for your theatre. And then coming through, we've got a massive viewing window into the quad garage with the hoist section. The clients are going to be doing their own setup in later woods for flooring, but it's also got air contents inside the garage. So nice, massive wide hallways coming through, and the next room is your master. So we've done so many videos of the Wingman, but again, master, so your king bed goes in here, your massive walk-in robe tucked in onto the side there. Through to the ensuite. This is the standard ensuite that comes with the Wingman. So toilet right on your right, freestanding bathtub, standard basin, and then into your double shower. We've done a niche wall, so soap niche in here, which has actually been mitre edged, and then we've also funneled up the cabinetry into the brickwork. So this is that lid wall that we keep going on about in all our videos. With that glass, so it's made a little edge as well. So double tail rail, pretty standard. Nice full height tiling as well, which is really good. Now we'll go through to the rest of the home. Off to the side is your laundry, so your linen, and then extended bench for a washing machine and dryer to be underneath the bench. Plenty of storage on top, so if you want to do any ironing, store some other shit, whatever you want to do, with that door outside as well. So start the ropes, standard non-mirrored with the full shelving, and into the living and dining area. The big living, dining, unattached is some pretty cool shit. So we've got another blanket plate here, so you can actually feed this for all your cords going through. The TV point, power point above, which will be your wall hunt TV, and then underneath for a TV cabinet, all your stuff down here. And then basically that big open area, so really flows off, massive kitchen. So standard, we actually do a island bench. We've actually extended it out into the brickwork, so to create that little bit more extra space. Big, we've actually had a double island, so we haven't done this in quite a while, which is actually a standard option. So 900 range wood, 900 gas top, and twin 600 ovens, so they both work. So basically, say you bring one and suites in the other, and they all come in like standard as a standard option. The standard cutlery drawer, dishwasher recess, standard cabinets, undermount sinks. This is an upgrade. I don't know, probably a couple $100 for the square version versus the round, which is standard. Standard gooseneck, and then into we've made a scullery as well. So originally this is just a pantry here, and there's a separate lid. We caved it in and made a full scullery with microwave recess here. More cabinetry space, you can never have enough cabinetry space. And then into your actual walk-in pantry, which is your 4x shelving. So we'll go into the back room now. If you look at my ugly mug the whole time, as we go. And then into the rear section. So bed 2, let's see if that's actually done. So all in one advance, said it a million times, but basically same thing, double for the queen bed, and then your shelf and rail with your sliding mirrors. This costs like $50 per bedroom. If you want them, definitely worth an upgrade. But keep coming through, so bed 2, bed 3, same thing, and then bed 4, spare toilet, and then into the spare bathroom. Same thing what we've done here. Tiled wall, it's like a necessity now. I'm doing that with all the homes moving forward. Standard, which is your standard vanity, standard bathtub. We've recessed that little bit extra in here, so it gives that semi-flowing look. And then the extended mirror that we've talked about in a few of our videos. A little bit of extra tiling as well, just to match and make it look clean and flush. Standard top rail. And what else? Let's actually go back to the Alfresco. It's something we don't really, I should be doing more of it. You guys have been asking for a bit more of an idea on what sort of backyard you have. this is on a 450 square meter block, so 15 wide, 30 deep. This is the minimum I need for this place. Now you can see exactly what you get as standard. So this is standard Alfresco, and then from this edge, which is the back of the home, to the backyard, that's 5 meters deep and 15 meters wide. So that's 75 square meters straight off the back of the home. Plenty of room, depending on what you want to do. So room for kids, little trampoline, for dogs. If you want to do a pool down that section, there's actually enough room. We have had clients do that as well. And then your standard 1.5 down the sides of the home. Just your standard, so what will end up happening, like this client has done, they put their fencing in and then done a gate as well. But yeah, so this is a really good example of what the standard is with the Wingman 4-car garage. Small tweaks inside the home, but this is the standard minimum size block for you guys to have a good look at.